Welcome to Learning Plan 6. In Learning Plan 6, we'll be talking about actually closing the sale. And the learning plan, the learner will further examine ways to identify the customer needs and describe the proper attitude toward closing the sale. The learner will also discuss specific methods of closing the sale and explain how to recognize closing clues, verbal and nonverbal clues. This is one of the areas of your sales presentation I really want you to focus on and make sure that you guys close. Even in business or even with my high school students that I have, they have a very hard time closing the sale. It's not necessarily being aggressive, but it's actually getting the confirmation from your customer to buy, that they are going to actually buy. So pay special attention to that when you are working on your final sales presentation for the Park Inn. All right. A couple of things that you're going to be doing in Learning Plan 6 is you're going to be looking at chapters 11 and 14. 11 talks about determining customers' needs with a consultative questioning strategy. And chapter 14 is adapting the close and confirming the actual partnership, which really focuses on the close. There are some videos that I'd like you to take a look at. One is what is the AIDA selling technique, secrets of closing, how to close the sale, the complete sales closing seminar, which is in the video, and a couple of things that I'd like you to do for assessment pieces. Terms and definitions on page 247 for chapter 11. Chapter 14 on page 311 has terminology that I'd like you to look at. There is also a review question I'd like you to do on page 314, which is number 9. And then I want you to go back in your sales plan, which hopefully you have a good start on, and you should be on numbers 9 and 10 in there. All right. We're gearing up for Learning Plan 7, which is your actual sales, business-to-business sales presentation with your Park Inn. There are samples of the sales presentation. I will put a couple in the announcements that you can see of my past students that they've done a good job with. Practice with this, because you want to make sure that you're polished. And yes, kind of, with technology, plan on things going wrong and things like that. So, if you do a good job with Role Play 2 and you feel confident that you want to go ahead and record the whole thing that you're with your buyer, go ahead and do that. But we're getting right up to Learning Plan 7, and that's your final project for this class. So Learning Plan 6, everything is going to be due Sunday, June 19th. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.